I get this question a lot lately. Do you create head talking videos? The answer is yes, but there's one big problem: the budget. Creating high quality head talking videos usually means jumping between multiple tools for captions, cuts, effects, and editing, which can quickly become time consuming and expensive. That's when I found Submagic. Submagic is an AI powered platform that helps you transform raw footage into viral shows with just a few clicks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Submagic to create professional viral reel without using a single extra assets. And don't forget to check out the description for an exclusive discount code for this amazing tool. Alright, so here we are inside of the Submagic, and in this video, as I have showed you in the preview, I want to create a head talking video without using any assets. Now to start with, I'm gonna just go into the create project. And once we do that, we're gonna just have 3 panels. One of them is generate captions, AI auto edits, and magic clips. But we're gonna start with entirely something new. So I'm just gonna click on AI actors to generate my actor for the head talking video. And as you can see, we have a ton of characters in here that we can choose. So I think for this one, I'm gonna just stick with this guy in here. Team outside at cafe, and as you can see now the language is set on English, and in here we can just choose between different voiceover. But one of the cool things about the Submagic is that you can choose the exact voice that matching the avatar in here, or you can just upload your custom one. But I think I'm gonna just go finding the team. Okay, so this is just team, and as you can see, team outside at the cafe, and then I'm going to just set it. Let's just play it to see its voice.
Hello, this is how I sound, hope you like it.
Okay, this sounds good. I'm going to just paste it by pressing Ctrl+V. I'm going to just paste my script, and once it's done, I'm going to just click on generate video. So you can just preview your avatar first to see if you like it, but we're going to just generate it. I think it's just going to be good. Once it's done, all I need to do is that I'm going to get back to the home page, and then we will see that our video is getting generated in here. Alright, now with the generation being done, all I need to do is that I'm going to just open it by left clicking on it, and this will open me the window. Now here's what the magic happens. So the first thing I'm going to do is that let's just play video to see the audio.
Everyone's first instinct is still to Google everything, but more and more people are skipping Google and asking AI instead. Why? Because instead of giving you 10 blue links to search through, AI gives you a direct answer in seconds. Whether it's writing an email, planning a trip, or learning a new skill, AI is becoming the first place people go. The way we search for information is changing faster than most people realize.
So this was honestly super good. The movement of the hand and the captions was super good. Now I think we need to clean the audio a bit, so I'm just gonna click on clean audio, and this will generally starts the AI to fix the audio for us. And as you can see, everything is just gonna happen super fast. So let's just play it again.
Everyone's first instinct is still to Google everything, but more and more people are skipping Google and asking
You can see the difference, right?
AI instead.
With one click.
Why?
With one click, we have just fixed the audio, a task that could take us 3 to 4 minutes to fix. Right now, as you can see, the captions look super good. But one of the coolest thing about the Submagic is that we can change the style in here. And you can see we have so many styles that we can choose in here. For example, Hormozy, I'm going to just select it. And let's just change its color to something like, I like the blue color. And let's just play.
Why? Because instead of giving you 10 blue links to search through,
oh my
AI
god, look at these elements that are just coming in here.
Instead. Why? Because instead of giving you 10 blue links to search through, AI gives you a direct answer in seconds. Whether it's writing an email, planning a trip, or learning a new skill, AI is becoming the first place people go. The way we search for information is changing faster than most people realize.
So you can see that immediately we had an install, and if we wanted to do that, at least with the After Effects, we would have need to spend around 50 to 20 minutes adjusting these texts and animating them, adding the elements into it. It might sound super simple, but editors who are already working on this type of projects, they know how challenging it becomes when they want to add captions for their videos. So even though if your video is still different, this AI caption in here is just doing a really pretty good job in order to create a caption for us. Well, the next option is the remove silences, and it's gonna cut the pauses, but since we are using an AI avatar, we don't need this feature. Now the next one is the AI auto zooms, which help us to create a camera movement. So I'm just gonna enable it, and you can see that less than 10 seconds, we already have a camera movement to our motion.
One's first instinct is still to Google everything. But more and more people are skipping Google and asking AI instead. Why? Because instead of giving you 10...
I like that the fact that we have just different type of the zooms, but still if we click on the edit button in here, we will be in full control of how we want to add our zoom. So for example, for the scene between 7 to 10 seconds, I'm gonna just click on edit zooms. And once I do that, we can just click on it and we can choose between the presets that we have in here. So let's just select on a zoom fast, and then immediately we're going to just review it to see how it looks.
Instead. Why? Because instead
you can see that like one of the cool things is that we already have a sound effect applied to it as well. So we can just, for example, change the whoosh to something else. So we can see that, let's just set it on camera click. And let's just get back one scene before so we can see it better.
More people are skipping Google and asking AI instead. Why? Because instead of giving you...
So you can see that like these tiny effects that we wanted to do in adjustment layers in Premiere Pro, or at least in After Effects, is just going to save us a lot of time. So as I have said in the beginning of the video, editing these type of videos is all about speed. So you want to be able to create these type of videos less than 50 minutes and send it to your clients. And Submagic is doing a pretty good job in order to pinpoint these problems for the editors and solve them in a less amount of time. So the next option is basically something that I really like, is the auto B-rolls. So immediately as soon as you apply it to it, it's just gonna add some B-rolls to your footage, increasing the quality of your footage. So let me just see. So as we can see, B-rolls have been successfully added. Let's just watch the video first.
Everyone's first instinct is still to Google everything. But more and more people are skipping Google and asking AI instead. Why? Because instead of giving you 10 blue links to search through, AI gives you a direct answer in seconds. Whether it's writing an email, planning a trip, or learning a new skill, AI is becoming the first place people go. The way we search for information is changing faster than most people realize.
So we can see that we have some B-rolls and the animation is good, but the B-roll doesn't really match some of our scenes in here. So in order to fix that, we're going to just click on edit, and as soon as we do that, we can now see an option called B-roll in here. So I'm just going to click on the B-roll. So once we do that, we're just going to select the layout. So we can choose between different presets again in here, whether we want to split the screen with, whether we want to have the full cover, if you wanted to, make yourself small and you show the footage. This is especially good in an explainer video where you want to showcase something, but I'm going to just leave it on the cover right now. But going into B-roll again, I'm going to just click on change the assets. Now in here, we will have some options called trendy, free, premium. So let's just, right now, as you can see, AI definitely try to search for people asking about the phone AI. I'm going to just search for an AI UI to see what it will give us. So we can see that, okay, this one right here is just gonna look better. So we're gonna just click on it. And as soon as we do that, it's just gonna add it to our B-rolls. So we can just watch.
Everyone's first instinct is still to Google everything. But more and more people are skipping Google and asking AI instead. Why?
Oh, okay, now this looks way better. Now, I don't like this B-roll at all. So one thing that we can do is that we're going to just click on change the assets in here. And once it's done, all I need to do is that I'm going to just go into the AI generated. Now, one of the coolest things with the Submagic AI generator is that you can choose between the latest models such as clean or sit downs, and you can create your own custom video in it. So I'm just going to write a person sitting behind a computer. The the computer screen shows Google, and the person starts to search on it. And once we do that, we're gonna just click on generate the B-rolls. And now you can see that immediately our B-roll has been replaced. So let's just watch it first.
Because instead of giving you 10 blue links to search through, AI...
So you can see that the B-roll was super perfect in here. Now you can see that this just saves us time from switching between different platforms and different software. We can edit our videos in one platform. And as I have mentioned, one of the coolest things with Submagic is that it is going to pinpoint the most major problems for editors and fix them while you are still in the app environment. So you can see that we already have made this reel less than 10 minutes. Now we can just go into the audio tab and we can just add the music for ourselves. So let's just click on add musics, and in here we can choose between trendy musics that right now is on social medias. We can choose between the premium musics, or you can just upload your own music in it. So let me just find one in here.
Tiki, tiki.
So I'm just gonna add this trendy music in here.
AI gives you a direct answer.
And one of the coolest thing is that it's just gonna automatically adjust the level of the audio with the level of the music that we have in here.
In seconds. Whether it's writing an email, planning a trip, or learning a new skill, AI is becoming the first place people go. The way we search for information is changing faster than most people realize.
Okay, you can see that all of this is done. Now we can just click on export, and in here you can see that we can choose between the quality, and it supports until the 4K resolution. I'm going to just set it on standard 1080, and then I'm going to click on export. While we do that, one of the biggest challenges for us editors is to create the thumbnail, but luckily with use of the create thumbnail button, we can immediately create a thumbnail. So let's also remember that the AI in here is just going to create the captions along with the trendy title as well. You can regenerate it if you like, and so you can see everything in here looks super perfect, and we can just click on create the thumbnail. And once we do that, it's just gonna open a new screen for us. And now in here, we can just choose between the different templates for us. So for example, I like this one. So I'm going to just do that. So I'm just going to click on default avatars. And right now the default avatar is set on John Doe. So if you wanted to do that, we had to create our avatar first in section, but we didn't do that. And we're going to just select it, for example, on the John Doe in here. And then we're going to just click on generate thumbnails. And you can immediately see that everything with this AI tool is just super great. And you can see that everything with this one right here is just super perfect, and it gives you two versions, so you can choose between your avatars and here. So what are my final thoughts regarding Submagic? I think hands down, this is one of the best apps when it comes to creating the head talking videos. As I have mentioned multiple times in this video, it pinpoints the major problems that editors have when it comes to creating the head talking videos. It effectively helps us to create a head talking video in less than 1 hour. And this will become really important when you are working on projects with low budgets. So I believe with this tool, you are going to create head talking videos way faster than before. And with that being said, here we are at the end of this video, and I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave out a like and subscribe to the channel, as it would help me out a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Have fun.